Hi all of you, I hope you guys are great. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video I will show you that how you can change the background of your images. We all know that for changing background is a very hectic task if we are using Photoshops and any online editing platforms. Even Canva is one of the biggest platform for designing our creative, for designing our social media post, but they do have this feature for removing the background. But if you want to use this, though that feature, what you have to do, you have to upgrade your account. In this video I will give you a complete walkthrough that how you can change the background of your images in just one click. So make sure you watch this video. It will help you to change the background in amazing way and in a professional way. So as you can see, we are already on their website. To get this website, all we have to do is simply open a new tab, type background remover. As you can see, I have already done I use this software multiple times for removing my backgrounds for any design, for designing any creative. I use this software. So this is the first link which you have to click on this. Now you will come to this website. Simply from here you can upload the image. As you can see, simply it will take it here. You have to go to download section because there I have my image. Wait for a second. So wait it, let me scroll it down. So this is the image I'm going to select and I want to change the background. So just now I have taken the image. As you can see, the background is completely removed very professionally. What I can do, I can just simply download it from here. It will give you in a PNG format, and I can use this image wherever I want. So this is how you can change the background in amazing and a professional way. So I hope you have found this tutorial valuable. If you have any questions, any doubt, leave that in the comment section. I would love to help you on that. And if you want to know anything about the marketing, about the development of your websites or anything like that, if you have any questions around that, just leave down in the comment section. I would love to help you on that and I will explain more on that. So for the time being, have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself, be at home, live healthy.